sorry. So cool. I'm so happy I stayed.
You come from a family that loves cinema, right? Your father writes scripts.
So my father's written films like Don, Sanjay, Sholay, Jishu. And then he wrote one film which did not do well. So I was like, oh my God, why are you doing this to me?
Well, is that what infused the love of cinema in you? From a young child, you wanted to be an actor or you wanted to be in the cinema industry?
So I didn't want to be anything at all actually. My life's ambition was that I should make 10 lakh rupees. And somebody told me on 10 lakh rupees you'll get like 2,000 rupees interest in a month. And I was pretty satisfied with that. And I'm still of the same mindset. But Allah has given me a lot, so I respect that.
Who were your screen heroes?
So I didn't actually have any screen heroes, and that's the reason why I don't imitate anyone. My real life hero was my father, and a bigger hero to my father is my mother.
So, 1989, you started in a supporting role, and then your first lead role was when you became a huge star. Was that crazy for you that it all happened so quickly?
So I signed this film called Bibi Hota Aisi. I was so desperate, and about 4 years ago, I asked my producer and director, his name is J.K. Bihari, and I asked him that what made you sign me in Bibi Hota Aisi? He said every star that I went to had refused that role. I said, any newcomer, any idiot who would walk into my office, I'll sign him for the role. I was that idiot. So I started out there, and when it was a huge star cast, there was Farooq Sheikh, there was Kader Khan Saab, there was Rekha Ji, there was Bindu Ji, and there were a lot of people. And so my father had a small point in that movie, and when he spoke to my director, he said, I think you should incorporate this in your movie. And he said no to my father. And my father said, son, you're in good hands. And then came in Maine Pyar Kiya, and then the journey has gone.
Do you think success comes at a price when you start so young?
So, yeah, and I got,
Like a screaming fan.
टाइगर जिंदा है.
Asade is beautiful. Buddy, you're here, you're working here, so it's beautiful. You didn't get a job in India, in Kerala, so you came here. Respect this place.